In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a bar chart using Python's Matplotlib library. Bar charts are perfect for visualizing categorical data, like comparing populations across different countries. Let's dive into the code and walk through each step. We start by importing pyplot from the Matplotlib library. Pyplot is a module that provides a MATLAB-like interface for creating plots and charts. So import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Next, we are defining data. We define two lists, one for countries and one for their respective population values. These lists represent the data we want to visualize. Here, population numbers are in millions. Next, creating the bar chart, we use plt.bar function to draw a bar chart. The first parameter is the x-axis labels, countries, and the second is the height of each bar, that is population. We also specify the color of the bars using the color argument. So along the x-axis we have countries and along the y-axis we have population. Now let's make the chart more informative by adding a title and y-axis label. So plt.title population by country in millions. Next plt.ylabel population. Adding labels helps the viewer understand what the chart is showing at a glance. Next, displaying the chart. Finally, we use plt.show function to render the chart. This will open a window displaying the bar chart. plt.show. Let's execute it. And there you go. See, along the x-axis it's the countries. Along the y-axis we have population, and here is the title, population by country in millions. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we have created a clear and informative bar chart using Matplotlib. This is a basic example, but you can customize it with grid lines, different styles, font sizes, and more as you get more comfortable. Try experimenting by adding more countries, changing the colors, or even switching from a bar chart to a line chart to see how your data looks in different formats.